Γεια σας, καλημέρα. In Greek, we have many expressions, many idioms that we use when we want to express intense anger. Today, we are going to concentrate on the two most common ones. The first one is «Μου ανεβαίνει το αίμα στο κεφάλι». Literally, the blood goes up to my head. The second one is «Γίνομαι έξαλλος». The word έξαλλος has a preposition ek, which means out of, and which becomes x in front of a vowel, and the word άλλος, which means other. So, γίνομαι έξαλλος means I become beside myself. I become out of my usual self. I become someone else. Both expressions mean to get extremely angry, to go through the roof, to lose it. Let's look at some examples. Κάθε φορά που λέει αυτά τα πράγματα, μου ανεβαίνει το αίμα στο κεφάλι. Every time he says these things, the blood goes up to my head. Κάθε φορά που λέει αυτά τα πράγματα, γίνομαι έξαλλος. Every time he says these things, I become beside myself. In other words, every time he says these things, I get very angry. I go through the roof. Όταν είδαμε την ζημιά, μας ανέβηκε το αίμα στο κεφάλι. When we saw the damage, the blood went up to our head. Όταν είδαμε την ζημιά, γίναμε έξαλλοι. When we saw the damage, we became beside ourselves. In other words, we got very angry. We went through the roof. Αν το μάθουν οι γονείς του, θα τους ανεβεί το αίμα στο κεφάλι. If his parents find out, the blood will go up to their head. Αν το μάθουν οι γονείς του, θα γίνουν έξαλλοι. If his parents find out, they will become beside themselves. In other words, if his parents find out, they will get very angry. They will go through the roof. That's all for today. Maybe you can use one of these expressions in your conversations. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.